Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the part number 8 of the Penelope blanket. This is the shard that you have to make. In this part, the part that you have to repeat is the part that is in the square. Remember that you can find the shard and the shards of the other parts and the tutorials in the link that you can find on the description below. And now start working the shard number 8. Start with a base row with the light color. Remember, you have to place the yarn on the first stitch. In the same stitch you have to make one single crochet. And then continue working to the end, one single crochet, taking the back loops, only taking the back loops to the end. Remember, you have to make on the last stitch a single crochet normally. Chain one and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Start with the second base row, making the same, leave a long tail at the beginning. Place the yarn at the first stitch, make a single crochet in the first stitch, and then continue making one single crochet, taking the back loops to the end. One single crochet, taking the back loops to the end. And once you are at the end, remember you have to make the single crochet normally, chain one and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. And now start with the shard. Row number 1. With the light color you have to make one single crochet, 5 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. One single crochet, remember, taking the back loops, and then 5 double crochet. Remember, to make the double crochet you have to take the free loop, the loop that you have on the previous light row. You have to take this loop from the bottom part to the top, take the loop and make the double crochet, and this is what you have to make the double crochet. So one single crochet and 5 double crochet. Row number 2. Row with the dark color you have to make one double crochet and 5 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. One double crochet and 5 single crochet. Row number 3 with the light color you have to repeat 2 single crochet, 3 double crochet and 1 single crochet. but the repetition is 3 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 single crochet, but you have to start with 2 single crochet. Row number 4, with the dark color, you have to make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet. Row number 5, with the light color, you have to start with 1 double crochet and repeat to the end, 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Row number 6, with the dark color, 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet. Row number 7, with the light color, 2 double crochet and repeat to the end, 3 single crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 single crochet, 3 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Row number 8 with the dark color, you have to make 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet and 2 single crochet, but you have to repeat to the end 5 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 5 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Row number 9, you have to make with the light color 3 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, but you have to repeat to the end 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet. Now we have to repeat some rows. On the row number 10, you have to make the same that you made on the row number 8. On the row number 11, you have to make the same that you made on the row number 7. On the row number 12, you have to repeat the row number 6. On the row number 13, you have to repeat the row number 5. On the row number 14, you have to repeat the row number 4. On the row number 15, you have to repeat the row number 3. On the row 16, you have to repeat the row number 2. And on the row number 17, you have to repeat the first row. This is what you have to make to finish this part of the blanket. This is the last part of the blanket. On the following video, how you can finish your blanket.